I didn't know if I'd even film this thing. It's a little bit embarrassing. I got a really good deal on this 2009 Buick Lucerne. I've always liked these cars, and once again I bought this thing for scrap iron. It's low mileage, clean car, runs real good, trans pulls hard, leather interior, but it was hid on this rear. It was in a garage. I really couldn't pull it out and look at it that well, but for the price I went ahead and bought it. Our Malibu played out on us. The ECM went out, and it's more money than what it would cost to get this thing on the road. And this car's got half the miles, less than half the miles the Malibu does. And I like these things. These things are made in Detroit, but man, did it get bent up. So these are my exploratory cuts on it. You know, these newer cars, some have asked, why are you building these newer cars when you got all these cool old cars? These things, the interiors are already done and everything like that. Hopefully this thing in a week or two, it'll be in good shape. But man, did it wad it up. It even bent it halfway through this trunk brace. This is the rear subframe that came out of it. I couldn't get that left rear wheel to straighten out. Look at how it busted that even. And this car just had a glancing blow to it. Really weird the way it was wrecked. It's all straight over here though. Okay, here's the replacement part. Once again, I got way more metal than I need. Partially just to find out how this thing's put together. This is the Malibu. It's got 250,000 miles on it. That's the Impala. Still really didn't finish that out. The other people's insurance may pay on it. If that's the case, I don't want to get too much money and time in it. Maybe selling it back to the insurance company. Here's a new subframe from a car that's never been wrecked. Well, this black car, it was wrecked in the front. You've seen this before. I got to trim all this metal out and determine what I'm going to use and where I'm going to cut it. These things have a lot of things that our old cars don't have. A lot more wiring, side airbags, lots of junk. What an education. But I guess I was looking for a puzzle. Like I said, I never have finished that out. This is a nice piece. I like these cars. They're made in Detroit. Yeah, one day I'll get back to building old cars again. But I got to have these transportation beaters now that I got girls driving and wife driving, and of course I pretty much just live off my Trail 70 and my 57 Chevy. But these old scrap iron cars, they're with low miles, that are clean with cold AC. When I can fix them, have less than $1,500 invested in them, it's kind of hard to pass that up. Stay tuned.